again. I wanted to share the January scent and warmer of the month. It's a Valentine theme, Sweetheart Warmer, and the Candy Orchard fragrance. So let's unbox the warmer. Okay, this is an element warmer. Very cute. It has all these nice embellishments and the wax goes right here. So it actually sits on the side like this, which is adorable. Very cute. So this is an element warmer. It doesn't use a light bulb. You just plug it in, turn it on. You know it's on because the red light will turn on. And then the wax will warm right in here. Cute. So let's take a look at Candy Orchard. It's a fruity scent. It says spun sugar, sweet raspberry, and warm vanilla. I'll be honest with you, I was not crazy about this when I first smelled it, but we've been using it in our bedroom with our air purifier because it comes in pods. So the pods we use with our fan products, and it really grew on me. I really like this one now. It also comes in the room spray and the scent circles as well. So that is our January scent and warmer of the month. Comment below if you have a Valentine and if you guys have any special plans, or let me know how you met your Valentine. I'd love to hear about it.